Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ria here. How are you all? I'm good and I'm back today with another makeover video. I hope you will really like this video, and this is a lot of informational video for you girls. This will really help you out if you're thinking to give a makeover to your bedroom or living room, anywhere. So any makeover if you want to do, these tips are gonna be really helpful for you. So I will be dividing this video into 3 parts because I think otherwise it would be a very long video. If I'll break it in parts, you can get really very clear idea about the makeover, and I'm really trying to go this time into very details about my makeover so that it is really helpful, and I mean it's really helpful. Always this is also a budget makeover, and this time I'm doing my bedroom makeover. In part 1, I'm gonna share with you my plannings, my thoughts that I've decided to use in my bedroom makeover, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Whenever you plan any makeover, I will suggest you make a diary and make a list of what things you want to change or what thing you're gonna change and what things you have in your bedroom or any particular room that you're going to do makeover. So I have just made this list. It is bedroom project. So I will suggest you to do it in the same way, because at times it happens with me whenever I get some ideas, and if I think that oh chalo wo to mujhe baad mein yaad rahega, and I'll implement my idea, but at that point of time I really don't remember it or miss ho jata hai fir. तो मैंने क्या किया, whatever I am remembering, instantly I'm taking my pen and I'm jotting it down in my diary, and this way you can really get a clear picture of what you want to do exactly. So I have like 5 to 6 things plans with me that I'm gonna implement here. Before that, I have made a list of what things I have in my bedroom. So the major thing in my bedroom is the bed that covers most of the area in your bedroom. This is the biggest furniture in your bedroom. So मैंने सबसे पहले लिख दिया है bed. Second thing that is occupying much more place in my bedroom is this almirah backside. ये wardrobe आप देख सकते हो. This is really huge और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा space लेता है. तो this is the second big furniture. So उसको मैंने list में add किया है. Third, I have a giant TV. तो that is also taking a bit of place. उसको भी मैंने लिख लिया है. I have a dressing table here, and this is also occupying a bit of space. ये है, and I have a sofa in my bedroom that is also occupying some place. Next, I have made another diagram जो बिल्कुल clean है. Only the floor planning was there, nothing else, only the floor plan. And then I made some paper cuttings like जैसे कि like of a bed, and then of sofa, and then TV, and all the furniture that I have. एक roughly मैंने paper cutout से बना लिया, क्योंकि I feel that instead of moving your furniture and seeing it, the same thing if you do with paper cuttings is really very easy and helpful to figure it out how to place what and where. That really makes it very simple. So come, let's see how I have just made the diagram with help of paper cutout. My room is not square, थोड़ा लंबा पैटर्न का है, तो इसीलिए मैंने totally looking like my room. And now I will take some the stick-on pads. These are really very available everywhere, and I'll use this stick-on pads as my furniture. With this, I'll really get very clear idea of what I want to place where. All my paper cutouts are ready. Let's start putting them. So I'll be putting side tables here. This will be the side table. Next comes the bed. The bed will be here. Thinking to put my wardrobe here. thinking to put my wardrobe here and the dressing over here. I hope you can see the dressing table just with the wardrobe. Thinking to put the sofa here. No. Let's not put the sofa here. Okay, I'll decide later about the sofa. Let's put our TV unit. Thinking to put my TV unit here. This is how I'm thinking to put here. Here is my door. This is the entrance. So once you enter, now I can see that I have placed really very close to the door. So I need to put it a bit, or I need to put it away from the door. I'm moving it here towards, here is the window, towards the window. So I can just clearly now see my TV from my bed, and I'm also maintaining a good distance, right? A good distance is maintained. And I have two side table here. So if I will just cut this to see, you are really getting a good idea, isn't it? So this really is very easy way to figure out what things where to put. And this is my corridor kind of portion. जो length में बड़ा है, उसे I am putting here. क्योंकि in lengthwise these two furnitures are taking less space, and in breadth-wise these things are taking much more space. So I'm putting the breadth जहाँ पे मेरे wall पे I'm getting much more. There I'm putting this, and here I'm putting जो length पे ज़्यादा ले रहा है. Make it more appropriate for a clear vision. See, so easy to figure out. See, aren't you getting a clear vision of the room right now? ऊपर से आप लोग देख रहे हो तो नहीं देख रहे अच्छी तरह से. I'll show you nicely. Now अभी सोफा बाकी है, तो सोफा को कहाँ प्लेस करें? थोड़ा सा वेस्टर्न फील ला रही हूँ. I will be placing my sofa at the leg of the bed. अगर आप वेस्टर्न कल्चर देखते हो, वेस्टर्न वीडियोस आप देखोगे, मतलब उनके रूम्स आप देखोगे, तो दे ऑलवेज प्लेस अ सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट in front of the bed. And this sofa, if I place it front of my bed, तो शायद ये कवर कर सकता है व्यू टू द टीवी. So this is not the correct position of the sofa. तो see, like it is so much easy to move around and see कौन सा कहाँ पे अच्छा लग रहा है क्या नहीं, and so many things are instantly coming in my mind. और मुझे पता भी चल रहा है कि क्या कहाँ मतलब प्लेस करने से easy होगा, कौन सा विजन को हिंड्रेंस नहीं कर रहा है, ट्रैफिक कौन सा नहीं क्रिएट कर रहा है. तो for now I'm placing it here. I have this window here, I have this window here. So दोनों के बीच में if I place, I have a wall here, तो I'll place the sofa here. तो यहाँ पे भी अगर कोई बैठ सकता है, then you can have the view of TV. And यहाँ से तो you getting direct view. I'm thinking to place a rug bed के नीचे. I'm thinking, ठीक है, हमारे यहाँ पे जो climate है, यहाँ पे rugs बिल्कुल सूट नहीं करता है. फिर भी I'm seeing, I'm just telling. And yeah, this is as simple as that. I'm gonna get some matching soft furnishings like curtains and all. that we will talk about all those in the second part, but first part I'm ready. So I'm thinking to place my furniture in this way. Let me give you a close view now. So this is the entrance. You're entering to my room here and you see the TV unit. It's in this biggest wall. Once you enter and then you take your right turn, you straight go into the bed. Here is the bed and here are my side tables. Okay, this I will decorate everything. In part 2 I'll share with you what I have bought and what I will keep. The wardrobe यहाँ पे है in the corridor and the dressing table is here. So once you enter to the room, you get the beautiful view of the bed, the major furniture, and this wardrobe is also hidden इस side में, तो ज़्यादा नज़र नहीं जाएगा. It's off your view. So this is the complete room. And you have a lot of space in the middle going on, you know, just to sit in the floor. और free जितना रखोगे उतना ही peaceful लगता है घर, and bedroom must be very peaceful. So yeah, this is how I will arrange my bedroom. तो देखा आपने किस तरह से मैंने सॉर्ट आउट कर लिया है मुझे कहाँ प्लेस करना है फर्नीचर, और कहाँ प्लेस करने से आसानी होगी और कहाँ प्लेस करने से मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है आने जाने में या फिर टीवी व्यू करने में. तो दिस इज़ रियली वेरी सिंपल आइडिया एंड आई होप आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा ये आइडिया देख के. और पार्ट 2 के लिए ज़रूर वेट कीजिए. मोर 2 parts are coming, like part 2 and part 3. Stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it and hit that like button, share with your friends and family ताकि वो भी easy से easy ideas बजट में भी है उसे अप्लाई कर सके और अपने घर को बहुत अच्छी तरह से मेकओवर कर सके. I will see you in my next video. तब तक you know it. Keep decorating and keep doing makeup. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.